A shocking crime has been reported from Bhopal. A 22-year-old man was kidnapped and badly beaten by some men in the Kolar area. The victim Dinesh Shahirwat works as a salesman in a garment shop. According to police, the attackers forced him into a car and took him to a deserted place. They beat him for nearly 2 hours using belts, stick and punches. Later, the accused themselves took him to a hospital and informed his family, calling it an accident. Doctors said two fingers of Dinesh are fractured. Police have registered an FIR and started searching for the accused. The government of Madhya Pradesh has announced financial support for farmers. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said farmers will get a bonus of Rs 40 per quintal on wheat procurement this year. The decision was taken after a meeting with representatives of the Bharati Kisan Sangh. The government will also provide Rs 600 incentive on Urad crop. The Chief Minister said that the government is committed to farmers' welfare and improving agricultural income. The announcement is expected to benefit thousands of farmers across the state. Government also plans to simplify the wheat procurement registration process for farmers. The Bharatiya Janata Party organized a training session in Ravind Bhavan as part of its Deen Dayal training campaign. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal attended the program. The training aims to prepare a speaker who will train party workers across the state. Leaders said the program focuses on improving communication skill and teaching workers to use modern technology. Party leaders believe strong and skilled workers help build a strong organization which eventually contribute to nation building. The session also included presentations and discussion for party members. The Union Public Service Commission has announced the final results of the Civil Services Examination 2025. A total of 958 candidates qualified for different government services. Anuj Agnihotri from Rajasthan secured the first rank in the country. Two candidates from Madhya Pradesh are also in the top 10. Ishan Bhatnagar from Bhopal secured 5th rank, while Pakshal Secretary from Dhar district secured 8th rank. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav congratulated all the successful candidates and wished them success in their future careers. The government of Madhya Pradesh is launching the Saraswati Abhiyan to bring girls back to school. The campaign will help girls who left studies due to social, family or financial reason. The program is part of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiative. The state level launch will take place on March 10th at Kushabhau Thackeray Auditorium. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will attend the event. Officials say the campaign aims to reconnect thousands of girls with education and give them a better future through schooling and support programs. The weather in Madhya Pradesh is getting hotter as the state moves from winter towards summer. In the capital Bhopal, daytime temperatures have reached around 34 to 36 degrees Celsius. Weather experts say temperatures may rise by another 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in the coming days. Cities like Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are also experiencing warm afternoon and clear skies. Nights are still slightly cool with temperatures around 15 to 18 degrees. The meteorological department say the weather will remain mostly dry and sunny across the state this week.